Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 cheap private proxies. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What are private proxies and why are they important? Private proxies have become a vital tool for anyone seeking anonymity, better security, and uninterrupted access to data across the internet. Unlike shared proxies, private proxies are exclusively assigned to a single user, ensuring faster speeds, reduced risk of bans, and more reliable performance. Whether you're a digital marketer, a sneakerhead, a data analyst, or someone concerned about online privacy, private proxies offer the dedicated bandwidth and control needed to operate seamlessly across different platforms. Choosing a budget-friendly yet reliable proxy provider is critical, especially when you need solid performance without draining your wallet. Benefits of using private proxies: enhanced online privacy and anonymity, faster and more consistent connection speeds, reduced risk of being blacklisted or blocked, better performance for tasks like web scraping, automation, and SEO, reliable access to geo-restricted content, ideal for managing multiple social media or ad accounts, secure browsing on public networks, exclusive use, no performance drop due to shared traffic. Number 1. Webshare. Webshare is a budget-friendly proxy provider known for its fast setup, clean dashboard, and a generous free plan to get started. It offers a variety of proxy types, including data center, residential, and rotating proxies, making it a versatile choice for casual and professional users. The service emphasizes user control, allowing custom IP whitelisting and password authentication. Its performance is backed by low-latency servers and unlimited bandwidth in many plans. Webshare is ideal for users looking for cheap and scalable private proxies without compromising performance. Key features: instant proxy delivery, unlimited bandwidth, multiple proxy types, data center, residential, rotating, IP whitelisting and user pass authentication, API access for automation. Pricing. These are the prices of Webshare. Number 2. Bright Data. Bright Data is one of the most trusted names in the proxy industry, widely used for enterprise-level scraping, market research, and data intelligence. It boasts a massive proxy pool with millions of IPs, offering residential, data center, mobile, and ISP proxies. Bright Data stands out for its advanced proxy management tools, ethical proxy sourcing, and enterprise-grade compliance. While it's more expensive than others, it's packed with powerful tools and analytics that make it worth the price for serious use cases. Key features: 72+ million IPs globally, residential, ISP, mobile, and data center proxies, traffic and success rate analytics, built-in web unlocking tools, powerful proxy manager, and API. Pricing. These are the prices of Bright Data. Number 3. Decodo. Decodo, previously known as Smart Proxy, offers a smart balance between affordability and premium quality. With a network of over 55 million IPs, it provides residential, mobile, and data center proxies that cater to both individual users and businesses. Decodo is popular for its ease of use, beginner-friendly dashboard, and integration tools like browser extensions and no-code automation. It's ideal for scraping, sneaker bots, social media management, and SEO tracking. Key features: 55+ million residential IPs, Chrome extension and no-code tools, great for social media, SEO, and e-commerce. User-friendly dashboard, 24/7 customer support. Pricing. These are the prices of Decodo. Number 4. Oxylabs. Oxylabs is a premium proxy provider that focuses on enterprise users looking for scale, speed, and reliability. It offers access to over 100 million IPs, including dedicated data center and ethically sourced residential proxies. Oxylabs is especially favored in sectors like finance, cybersecurity, and e-commerce. The provider also offers specialized products like Web Unblocker and real-time crawler APIs, making it a strong choice for automation and data gathering at scale. Key features: 100 plus million IP pool, residential, data center, and mobile proxies, AI-powered Web Unblocker, real-time scraping APIs, high success rate and low ban rate. Pricing. These are the prices of Oxylabs. Number 5. IPRoyal. IPRoyal is known for providing reliable proxies at competitive prices, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious users. It offers a range of proxy types including residential, data center, and sneaker proxies. IPRoyal's standout feature is its ethically sourced residential proxies through its IPRoyal Pawns program. The service is commonly used for market research, brand protection, and web scraping. It also provides flexible pay-as-you-go pricing and unlimited bandwidth in many plans. Key features: affordable and flexible plans, residential, data center, and sneaker proxies, ethically sourced proxy network, pay-as-you-go options, easy integration and management. Pricing. These are the prices of IPRoyal. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.